Hi guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a problem from section 7.1, assessment A. And this is going to be number 2. I did a problem from for number 1 already, the number 1 in section 7.1 last time. So I'm going to work one from number 2, see if that helps. So for number 2, the instruction, we're going to do part A. The instruction says to rewrite each of the following as a decimal. So we have the number 4 times 10 squared. This one is kind of opposite of the last one we did, number 1. This time they give you the expanded form, the one, the actual decimal form, which is kind of opposite of what we did in number 1. Plus 3 times 10 plus 5 times, plus 10 times 10 squared, and this is, I believe, 10 cubed. Sorry about that. So it's 4 times 10 cubed plus 3 times 10 squared plus 5 times 10, which you can think of as basically 10 to the first power, and then plus 6 plus 7 times 10 to the negative 1, and then plus 8 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay, so they want us to kind of condense this to a single decimal number. Now remember, these powers of 10 give you the place, the position, and also these are the digits. So of course, in the thousandth place, you're going to have a 4. In a sense, you're going to have a 4,000. That's 100, 10 squared, which is 100th place. So you're going to have a 300. This is the 10th place. 5 times 10, of course, is 50. So that will be your 10th place. Now notice that this is the single number by itself. There is no, actually it is 10 to the 0, which is the 0 place, which is first place, which of course is 1 times 6. So 6 is your first place. So you have 4,356. Now notice these powers are negative, which is where the decimal comes in. Negative 1 means that's a 10th place. So you have 7 in the 10th place and 8 in the 100th place, because the negative 2, okay? So your decimal number should be 4,356.78. Okay, so let me try to do one more problem for you here. I guess I do problem number 4, part A. This is same section again, section 7.1, assessment A. This is problem number 4, part A. Let me read the question first. It says, write each of the following numerals in word, okay, in words. So they want to go from numbers to words. So for example, the first one, part A, says 0.34, which of course, remember, you look at the last digit, the position of that is in the 100th place. This is the 10th, 100th. So therefore, the way you see that, you just read the whole number, except you use the position of its last digit. So it will be 3400th. So 3400th. There is also S at the end, 100th. Okay, so this number will be 3400th because again, it's a 4 sits in 100th place. You read the number and then use the position of its last digit, in this case 4, which is 100th place. So 3400th is how you would read that number. Let me just do one more real quick from part C of the same number 4, and then I guess go ahead and shut this video down and do another one on the next couple of problems. So part C, you have 2.034. 2.034. So how do you write that in words? So it's 2 and every time you have a decimal point, you read the number before the decimal and then you say and then again, this is the same situation because again, your 34 the 4 happened to be in this time, sorry, this was the 100th place. This is in 1000th place. So you read the number 34, except you have to say the position of its last digits, which is the thousandth. So this will be 2 and 34. I guess I should write that in English. 34 thousandths. Let me move my camera a little bit. So 34 thousandth. Okay, so 2.034 in words, that will be 2 and 34 thousandth. Again, why thousandths? Because the last digit sits in a thousandth place. Remember, it's a 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll do a couple of more videos for you shortly. Thank you.